Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java inner classes. So let's get started. In Java, it is also possible to next classes. The purpose of nested class is to group classes that belongs together, okay, which makes your code more readable and maintainable. To access the inner classes, create an object of outer class and then create an object of inner class. Let's see outer inner class. So we have created here outer class and then we have created inner class. Okay. Inside this curly braces, this class is there and then outside curly braces closed. Okay. Int x is equal to 10, int y equal to 5. Okay. Main class we have created the object of outer class, simple. But in inner class, how you have to create outer class dot inner class and inner variable, any variable object we can give any name, then outer object dot new dot inner class. Okay, and we are printing my inner dot y, my outer dot x. Let's try. Oh, 15 came. Plus is doing 10 plus. So 5 is here, 10 is here. 5 plus 10, 15. So 15. Okay. Now we have a private inner class. Okay. This is private. Okay. So simple we have done this. This you got it. And same thing here. So when we run it, what error we face? Outer dot inner has a private access in outer class. Okay, so we can't access it, so error will be raised. Okay, now static inner class we have, this is static. Okay, so we are not creating outer class object, we are accessing y. Okay, so outer dot inner my inner, outer dot inner my inner dot y, then output will be 5. You can see the output is 5. Okay, just like static attribute and method, a static inner class does not have access to the member of outer class. Okay, we do not have access to outer class. Okay, now access outer class from inner class. Okay, so outer class object we have created, inner class objective we have created. Now my inner do my inner method, this we are and returning x, so value we will 10. Okay, see if we do static here, okay, then what will happen? Tell what will happen. See, error we are facing here because this is static and this is non-static, so I can't access that. Okay, that I was telling you in this case. Okay, so like this we have completed Java inner classes. If you have any question, please comment, subscribe my channel, do like my video, do share. Thank you. Bye bye.